Good day. Today I will discuss about braking system. Braking system. The braking system is designed to convert the vehicle's kinetic energy into thermal energy. It contains several parts including brake pads, brake rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. When the driver hits the brakes, the brake pads apply pressure to the brake rotors, causing friction that slows down the vehicle's wheels. The first component of braking system is the brake pedal. The brake pedal converts the driver's foot pressure into hydraulic pressure in the brake lines via the master cylinder. This pressure activates the braking components, enabling the vehicle to slow down or stop. Master cylinder. The master cylinder generates hydraulic pressure when the brake pedal is pressed. It forces brake fluid through the brake lines to the calipers or wheel cylinders, ensuring effective braking force is applied to the wheels. Brake lines. Brake lines transmit hydraulic pressure from the master cylinder to the brake calipers or wheel cylinders. They must be durable and leak-proof to ensure consistent and reliable braking performance. Brake calipers. Brake calipers convert hydraulic pressure into mechanical force, pressing the brake pads against the brake rotors. This action creates the friction needed to slow down or stop the vehicle. Brake pads. Brake pads create friction with the brake rotors when passed by the calipers. This friction slows down the rotation of the wheels, enabling the vehicle to decelerate or stop. Brake rotors. The brake rotors provide a surface for the brake pads to press against, creating the friction necessary to slow down or stop the vehicle. They must be durable and capable of dissipating heat to prevent brake fade. Brake drums. The brake drums provide a surface for the brake shoes to press against, creating the friction needed to slow down or stop the vehicle. They are used primarily in rear braking system and must be durable to withstand the high temperatures. Brake shoes. The brake shoes create friction with the brake drums when pressed by the wheel cylinders. This friction slows down the rotation of the wheels, enabling the vehicle to decelerate or stop. ABS sensor or anti-braking system. ABS sensors detect wheel speed and send this information to the ABS control module. The ABS adjusts braking pressure to prevent wheel lock-up, ensuring better control and stability during emergency braking.